वेरी गुड।
The good manners. We should respect our elders and always try to help them. Always speak truth when your teacher enters your classroom. Get a proper respect to them.
Very good.
Hello, my name is Kiran from class 8. Today my topic is good manner. Good manner are important in our daily life. If we want to be a good friend and in our daily life, we should follow the rules and regulations of in school, in homes. Thanks.
What? Good manners do not cost anything, but pay back. आपके इखलाक अच्छे होंगे, इसकी आपको कोई कीमत नहीं देनी पड़ेगी। अगर आप किसी से अच्छा बर्ताव करेंगे तो उसकी कोई कीमत नहीं है, अलबत्ता उससे आपको बहुत सारे फ़ायदे मिल सकते हैं।